Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're doing what I call Snowball Cookies. It goes by many names: Melting Moments, Nutty Nuggets, Russian Tea Cookies, Wedding Cookies, but they're basically the same. It's very easy to make. I have here 4 cups of flour, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of cornstarch for this particular recipe. It makes it more nice and crunchy. Then I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. Now, this is 1 pound of butter. You have to soften it, leave it out a few hours on the counter, because if it's not soft and you try to mix it, it just is uneven and the batter is very lumpy. So to that, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Just put it, well, we'll mix it first. And I'm going to add the powdered sugar. Now, I want to say something about this, because here in Las Vegas, it's very dry. It's not humid. So you see, there's no lumps in the powdered sugar. But in Hawaii, it's very humid. So you have to sift it. So just be careful where you are. And if the thing is lumpy, the sugar is lumpy, then sift it. But in this case, we don't have to. So now I'm going to beat up the sugar. Scrape it a little bit to get all the sugar mixed in. Spatula works very well with this. Mix it again. Then I'm going to slowly add the flour. Put a little at a time, because otherwise if you pour the whole thing in, it'll spray all over and you'll be all white with flour. Maybe about 3 or 4 times. And now the rest of it. So very simple ingredients, as you can see. I'll scrape it one more time. And then I have here some ground up walnuts, but you can use any kind of nuts that you want. And you only need 1 cup. If you want more, you can put more. Now the nuts, just put them all in. Scrape it all out, get every bit out. And mix it up again. And that's all there is to it. You can see it only took maybe about 5 minutes to mix up if you have everything ready. So what's going to happen is that this has to be chilled for about an hour in the refrigerator. So we'll come back. The dough is chilled and it's easy to form. This is not real soft. So you just roll it into balls and you make the top part a little higher so that it doesn't press down and flatten out too much. And then you just keep on doing it. I don't know how many pans it'll take, but it doesn't really spread, so that's why I'm having it pretty close together.